Chinese food cravings. Contact tracing yung Labi Lounge, ang Elda. I just miss this so much. Hi Shin, the date for people. So in Nagyuday Peanut, favorite dim sums pag the best Xiaolong Bao here in Cebu. There's also of high style spicy shrimp. Ang braised homemade bean curd. Now guys, if offer rice balls, here's a freshly cooked buchi. Why kung mo. Today, I'll be satisfying my authentic Chinese food cravings. And where would be the best place to have it? It would be here in Marco Polo. And of course, for our safety, they are practicing the Safe Travels biosecurity protocols, in which they are using now the Bird's Eye. Bird's Eye is the official partner of HRRAC for a centralized real-time precautionary and contact tracing system. And of course, being a hotel, mas maayo sa jud na yung tay bookings or nate reservations before tamo sulod. So man mas maayo gi-download na nato daan ang app or we fill it up again before tamo anhi sa hotel. What I really like about Bird's Eye also kay automatic jud ilang ka-trace kung asa nakamupadulong after. So I really hope mas daghan ang mugamit ani. Hello Marco Polo, I missed you so much. But before ta mukaon og Chinese food, well, let's go to the Lobby Lounge. Added nga open na sa jud sila. And yes, if you have noticed na sila linya for checking in because now they accept guests already. So, naare mga promos nga na silang website. So, please do visit Marco Polo's website. And yes guys, some of the food outlets kani sa Marco Polo are already open. Mao ni siya ang Lobby Lounge, ang El Viento Restaurant and Pool Bar, and of course, ang Haishan Lu. And yes, na-excite yun ay kumukaon sa kong insaymada nga ni sa Lobby Lounge. I think this place is also perfect actually for meetings kay mingaw kayo added that they are only open for bookings or reservations. I may say, di mo pwede mo walk-in lang. So, dapat magpa-reserve sa agad mo para makagamit or mukaon mo nga sa Lobby Lounge. And yes, ubi insaymada. I just miss this so much. Pero no, October naman di ay. So basig after aning ubi mo lunch na sa din sa silang Christmas insaymada, in which mo sige natong dapat atangan guys. Kay lami jud kaayo sad ang Christmas insaymada nga ni sa Marco Polo. Hopefully they will have one even though they won't have that celebrations. Added tip also guys, kaning most of the pastries and bread nga sa ato ang Lobby Lounge kay naay 40% off if ever 7 PM already. Mga ona ta guys, ipa-cute sa jukudan. Oh, yes. Kinagaling overflowing kayo ang cheese with the ube. Di na lang kumustorya more no. Let's put a moment of silence for the insaymada nga akong gikaon. Okay, focus. And now it's time for the Chinese foods. You might be wondering ano kung mukhang Chinese food and higit sa Marco Polo because yes guys, sa wala pa na-inform, Haishan Lu, the seafood king na anganhi sa Marco Polo, is one of the authentic Cantonese restaurant here in Cebu. If you have been following me, after jud sa lockdown, ako first gikaon sa jud kay Chinese food pero kanilahi sa jud basta fine dining and authentic jud nga restaurant. Haishan Lu is now open from Tuesdays to Sundays from 11 AM to 9 PM. And of course, kinahanglan yun ta og reservations. To observe proper social distancing, they are only accommodating 50% of its total capacity. And unsa pag yung mas nakahappy because of course they're also opening their function rooms in which the smallest function room can accommodate 4 people. So in other words, pwede rin yung family o ganahan mo makita sa inyong friends. In other words, this will be a very perfect and safe place kay mainyuha ra gyud ang usa ka function room. The smallest function room can accommodate 4 persons while ang pinakadako nga function rooms can be 36 persons. So perfect jud kaayo for family gatherings kung na may birthday, I know you miss each other, then this would be the perfect place. Same with most restaurants, they are now using QR code for the menu. And of course, what makes a legit Chinese restaurant kay naaslay pa free nga peanuts. Maog yun na siya dapat ni-welcome plus the house tea. So dapat na yun na peanut or house tea kay kung wala na siya, di na siya legit nga Chinese restaurant. I really miss tea. Labaw na basta free. And ang free sa jud nga peanuts guys. At kanagaling usahay ang peanuts na lang makabusog na nimo kay makahurot kag order or additional more. So for that atong i-try og chopstick ini anak biag sila mas dapat praktisan ko no ang peanuts for the chopstick. Biso ayan daw nako kay pa ba ko mo gamit. Yes, kibaw pa rin ko mo gamit eh. I really don't know sa Jud. Basta ka nagaling pina sa Chinese restaurants nga nulami ang magyud kaayo. Labaw na nga ni sa Haisinglo. Why bayasay? Promise, try it. Diba lahi gud ang maningan ni sa Haisinglo. And yay, dim sum. Yes, na ang dim sum guys. These are 3 of my favorite dim sums pag yun. Like the steamed shrimp dumplings, the pork siomai, and of course the steamed spinach dumplings. And yes guys, so wala na kay bao nga ni sa Marco Polo makitaan ang one of the best xiaolong bao here in Cebu. So yes, kung nag-crave mo xiaolong bao, this is the place to be. The same also in most restaurant right now. So dili na open or dili na anda mga kubertos inikao na to. So we will be the one opening for our table setup. So bawal mag-inarti. So kita na mo abli sa atong kutsara or kita na mo sa atong kutsara, tinidor, chopstick ug uban pa. Here are some of the best sellers also of Haishinlu. So, ang ilang of course sweet and sour pork. Then we also have the Szechuan style spicy shrimp. And of course, ang yang chow fried rice. And lastly, ang braised homemade bean curd with vegetables. And of course guys, unahon gyud na to ang xiaolong bao. Sana makuha na ko siya perfect nga dili siya mabuak. But actually if you have noticed, nabuak yun siya wakoy mabuhat. Pero at least may nalang napaghihapon ang sauce. Kiba ko naglaway na mo. So yes guys, xiaolong bao time plus the dark vinegar. Naunta guys, press the ay. Muragwa na may sabaw ay napadi ay. Oh, satisfied na dayon ko. Pwede na ko dili mukaon. I know di ay oy. Kaya ang of course ang ato ang dumplings. Yes, ano ko mukaon, walay awayay ha. Or walay sawayay. Yes, butangan jud nako siya og chili sauce. And yes, smile na kayo. Lipay na dayon ang bata. So patay gutom besh no, dili uso-uso ang bite toy, dapat usag na siya kahamoy. Of course, kay mo gitawag siya og bite size, di ba? Ang dumplings these are bite size nga pagkaon, kay dapat one bite ra gyud siya. So ay ko ninyo i-judge. Pero bitaw magtinod na sa pagkaon ha, ay sa kunyug sa muka. Ato sang i-arrange of course pang Instagram purposes. Ayan. And anyway guys, they also offer rice balls here which will be around 220 to 250 pesos only. So grabe siya ka-affordable. So yes, kung nahibo mo kung sa kung gibuhat mo na siya buhaton basta nagkaon ka na, nag-livestream pag yun. So mali na siya akong i-plug if ever wala pa mo ka-follow na ako sa Kumu. Let's be friends in Kumu. It would be at Lookisave, DOOKIEXAVE. And ayan, it's dessert time. So this is like a mango leche flan kanang busog naman ko oy, pero yes, kakayanin ko to. But actually mo nang gahinay kung kaon kay yes mo gyud ni akong gihuwat butchi. Kung alam mo kay bao, for me aside sa lumpia is life, butchi is life. So yes, if ever wag mo kay bao, I have a dog gali, ang names na akong dog kay butchi. And now nothing beats a freshly cooked butchi. Ngay, init kay siya, trust me. Pero i-push kinin ako siya kaon. Init kay siya guys. Sige lang. Oo, di ba? Basig na guys, pasalami gali mo hilom yug ko. And that's it guys. So now you know already kung asa mo mukaon, kung nanginahanglan mo og authentic Chinese food. And of course, since we are in Marco Polo already, unsa man dili gyud ta pwede mo uli kung wala tay dala nga dili ang cheesecake. It would be the malicious cookies. But honestly guys, aside sa malicious cookies, ni palit pa jud kog insay madamore. Kaya akong ipang snacks later. Wala pa ko nabusog no. Why not? So yes, nara ang malicious cookie. But then again guys, I would like to remind you that visiting Marco Polo requires reservations. In other words, you have to call ahead to make your reservations kung muanhiman mo. So thank you so much Marco Polo, and basig daw mo ako rin ikaw na dili oy nanay akong kuyo ko akong dependable partner Kalami Cebu. Sana ako mulami pug ko. But then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!